Oh, Victor Lopez might be watching. Victor, are you in the stream? I'm not putting you down, though. You understand, right? This is not personal. This strictly is talking about the chess position. I can't wait to back up my stuff. You know what I'm going to do before I leave tonight, if I leave at all, is start backing up start downloading my streams from Facebook Gaming. Facebook Gaming used to save all your streams. You could go all the way back to my first stream and it's there. Knight f6, knight c3. Yeah, good game, man. Thank you, Moses. Yoti Monica Taki, good morning. Yoti, how are you today? And we play a6, and now we see Justin Cowboy says PayPal, exclam tips. Right here, man. And if you do it on the PayPal there, it's like Streamlabs, PayPal, something or other. You will see, wait, there it is. There's the PayPal right there. And if you do it on that PayPal, there will be a notification. Bishop e2, it's a real move. It's a real chill move. Do I just play e5 like the way I like to do? I think I will. I want to play this because I want to. It's a real move. Knight f3 is a real move too. It's not near as common as knight b3. But I want to. It might be in this position with bishop e2 though. To be honest, I'm going in general. But I want to learn these positions. I need to do some studying. Yeah, Justin, you see, if you scroll up, you see the one above it, right? Because it's on a cooldown, so people don't spam it. H3. It's a real move, guys. I never understand it. Can I play b5 now? Knight d5, I just take on e4. So I think b5 is probably correct here, because I can. Doing it. Courtney Reed says, hi, Sweets, got your message. All good, went to marble. Oh, good for you, baby. Okay, so you'll be able to set up yourself, and when I'm done streaming, then I will come to you. Does that sound good, babe? You need to be heading. You need to be heading to work. See, it's 8 o'clock right now, guys. She starts at 9, but she starts at the bar. This is a real bar. It's on bar time, so it's 8:15 at the bar right now. She starts at 9. Let me tell you something about my girlfriend, okay? She's a freaking beast. Oh, you're in the parking lot? No, she could show up to that gig with 10 minutes to start, and she would start on time. I'll tell you how much of a beast she is. She could show up 10 minutes late, walk in like she owns the place, set up, no one will look at her funny, and she'll start when she starts. Nah, she doesn't do that. It's happened in emergencies, though. Okay, he plays this move, which I don't understand. We will attack the e4 pawn. Courtney, I love you, baby. I could see you in the parking lot. I know where you're parked. It's all in my brain. We're having a nice long stream today. I'm going to chill. I'm going to get cleaned up, and I'm going to come, and I'm going to sing some songs with you, and we're going to hang out tonight. So now we have massive amounts of pressure on the e4 square. We really haven't done anything. He has, I feel, wasted 2 moves. Oh, Victor Lopez might be watching. Victor, are you in the stream? I'm not putting you down, though. You understand, right? This is not personal. This strictly is talking about the chess position. Like when I dropped my queen earlier, I admitted that I sucked and I dropped my queen. So that's what's beautiful about chess, guys. There are no lies in chess. It's just what it is. Victor Francisco Lopez says, learning some good theory from you. Queen a5 removes the defender from e4. It does pin. That is true. It's true. And he doesn't want to play this b4. But this develops a piece and makes a threat. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know that I want my queen on a5 just yet. I'm not saying it can't go there. His bishop is on d3, which a lot of times in a Najdorf it will end up there, but it doesn't usually move there twice. I don't think I have to castle yet. Knight bd7 is standard Najdorf procedure. Yeah, I could have castled, but sometimes, you know, it's okay to delay castling because nothing's happening. Yeah, good, Victor. Thanks, man. But yeah, we're very close to castling, Jeff. Very close to... The only possible next moves on my dream Najdorf setup is queen c7, castles. And then maybe I will play this move, knight c5, hitting this pawn again. Or there are ideas of maybe knight b6 and playing d5. But now, this pawn. So queen c7 might be the reason the queen comes to c7 is to protect the e5 pawn when I play d5. So we'll see. Jason Hoy says, I'm back for a short time. How's the stream been, Charlie? Want some good games? Well, I will say that I have lost some terrible games. And I have really good study material. Like the lessons I have right now, because I was playing like moves I thought were natural, okay? And I got rolled over. I'm going to castle now. If he decides to castle queenside, I'm totally cool with that because I already have b5 in. This loses a pawn, so I need to play queen c7. The knight comes in, we rip it, it will open up his bishop. It's true, it will open up his bishop. Dang, bro, you still playing? Yeah, Andrew, man, I'm getting some games in, bro. Dude, I lost so many winning games today. I lost winning games. Okay, plays queen e2. He wants to maybe go queenside. I'm going to play queen c7. And if he castles, I'll be cool. Then I try to decide what to do with this, or maybe I can get d5 in now. No, because he'll have bishop takes a7 check. Time clock chess will teach you everything. Andrew says, just got back and finished eating. Yeah, man, Andrew, very cool, man. Congratulations on the win yesterday, Andrew. That was a good game, man. I went over the game. White starts out with an advantage. David played his Najdorf. David had he equalized and had a slight advantage. And he took that freaking pawn, man. He took a pawn over here. It's one of these pawns. He took one of these pawns over here, man. And he played queen e5, a move late. He needed to play queen e5 a move earlier than that. And then he was okay. But that bishop f7 was a shot, man. And you know what? I was thinking about it too. I was talking to my girlfriend about it. About how many times I've seen experts beat masters. And when they beat them, it's usually with the shot. David's position was slightly better, and then he played that one inaccurate move, and then it was like bam, bam, and you freaking pounced, brother. Thanks. The bishop f7 tactic was my only chance. Yeah, no, man, it was your only chance, and it gave you a clear advantage, man. It was clear. I hate when I turn a W into a L with bad moves. You learn more from losing. You can, but you know what though, Stefan? Oh wait, let me see. Ezra says 10 minutes to make a move teaches nothing. Well, no, it's kind of not true, Ezra. Well, if I understand the context of exactly what you're saying, he castled there. Now, I think I can play knight. Or I think I could play d5. d5, pawn takes, knight takes, knight takes, bishop takes. And I have gotten d5 in. e4 is protected twice. I think I play d5, guys. And it comes with a threat. It comes with a threat also. Playing d5. I hope it works. So Ezra, the thing about slow chess, because I learned how to play chess on like 4-hour games, 40 moves in 2 hours per player. Then you get another hour and a half, like after another hour. After I move 40, or you get another hour or an hour and a half or something. Yeah, another hour. 40 and 2, 20 and 1. And what you learn in the slow games is you have enough time to use all your knowledge and really find out the best move that you know to make. And that's how you really find out how good of a chess player you are, right? Like right now, we're playing this game. It's a little fast. A lot of people would say it's not too fast. Now this comes with a threat. This is an idea. Oh, but you know what David told me? Well, these threats are real. Maybe maybe. Okay. Maybe I played d5 prematurely. Maybe I could have got it in later. You prefer knight c5? Nicholas says, I love that story when Garry Kasparov beat the whole world in a game they played over weeks. A position would be presented in the newspaper and people would send the moves. Whatever move had the most votes, it was played against him. He still won. Yeah. Yep. Isn't that amazing? I only played chess clocks, but learned playing slow play. Yeah, no clock is weird. Okay? Oh, and by the way, what I was going to say is something David told me that I maybe could have done here before I played. I don't see it. Knight check. Takes, knight check. King back. Queen h5. Knight hits the queen, defends the mate. And then he has to get rid of this knight. Don't see it how it works. Think I can take it? Well, knight g5 check, I can just play bishop takes too if I want to. Oh, it's this move. And I have this move. It doesn't work. Whatever he's trying doesn't work. What about this move? Now I take a piece. I should have looked at it longer, but it just, to me, it's tactically unsound. Knight here, takes. I just get a piece this way, right? So he's down a piece. My knight will come to f6. I'll be safe. His king is going to have, he might maybe check and take with this queen, right? No, he made a mistake. He made a mistake. I think I'd play my knight back to f6 and just consolidate. Yeah, e4. I didn't see it. I'll be honest, I didn't see it till it happened. But, when your position is good, you know this, Andrew, right? You'd be like, how could he really have a shot here? I mean, I guess my knight's not on f6, right? Look at these. That looks a little weird. My queen's out of play. My knight's not on f6. His pieces are kind of aiming at my king. So I guess it could have won. It could have worked. Now. Ooh, he checks that way. Guys, he gets this freaking bishop. I will come back and give it to him. Let me look. F5 is not smart. I just come back. I give him the piece. I didn't win the piece, but you know what I get? I get some pawns. I get some position. Yeah, I didn't see this either, Andrew. If he plays e4, how do you defend the dark bishop? Yeah, he got this, man. Yeah, that's right. Queen e4. You know, you saw it, Stefan. Yeah, I didn't see it either. No, I don't like g6. I don't like g6 because it just... Look at his dark square, man. His bishop could come to the dark squares. I don't have a dark squared bishop. I think king back is definitely the move. Now, I don't like the pin. Pin's nasty because if rook comes, he could start annoying me. He could annoy my life. He could annoy my wife. He could create strife. So I will then play rook and then only then take on g2. Takes and then queen e5, I think, is the move. Doing it. He threatens mate. I take. Would check, and then I play f6. And he could get a draw. Bishop h7, it might have been good. Adam Freeman says, why did you sacrifice your bishop instead of moving knight to e5? Because I'm in check. Because I was in check. I'm not always right. Like, for instance, about 4 games ago, if you said, why did you just hang your queen? When did you start streaming, Charlie? At the end of November 2020. Omar Adele says, I'm pretty sure his next move is bishop h6. Is there definitely a threat there, man. So I'm not exactly killing it right here, guys. I need to find both mouse buttons. Grant Keith Lawrence Freeman. Thank you, man. Queen e5's a move. It is. Queen e5 is a definite move. You know the best thing about this move, the massive centralization, and I could take this pawn. I could even maybe hide from rooks right here. Then if I got to take another pawn and come down, now I took 2 pawns. Queen e5 looks good. Queen e5 is a real move. Bishop h6, I probably just take. Let his rook harass me. Come back. Queen e5 is good for the massive centralization. If he moves his rook to discover, I'll just rip that freaking c pawn. And then I'm thinking, I need to develop rooks. Because if I don't, he will. And my knight wants to be like on e4, I think. This is a pretty good square, man. And it has a threat, and it defends before it even is attacked. Freaking play chess. We hang out. Yep. Put more pawns on more dark squares. Now, offer the trade of queens. Is that an improvement of my position? And I did also his knight here because if bishop takes, queen takes, and I'm fine. And also, you know, the thing about this move, the great thing about this move is the threat. And then I could threaten to double. And that's something I didn't consider. And I'm just threatening the queen. And then if the queen moves, if the king moves, I could play queen d5 and trade queens. 4, he's up a pawn? 4 and 5. I didn't realize he's up a pawn, guys. I thought I was doing better than he is. And I'm not. I don't want to trade queens. All right. We're just going to start doubling up with the threat. And I drop the rook with check. Game's over. Yeah. Nah, it's okay, man. What do? You just dropped a freaking rook. Now, after king takes, after king h7, I have to say, yep. I have no threats. I have to bring a piece. Guys, the 5 terabyte hard drive, bro. It's always fun. You guys love getting electronics? Let's smell it. Well, I could have done the same thing, but you know what? I'm losing. And this knight is that much farther away from, like, maybe a square like this, cutting the queen off, right? Rook check, maybe. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I'm losing. This is not like the only reason I'm not resigning is because look at his king. Look at my rook. My rook doesn't want to come yet. And as soon as it comes, he plays over. I need to play knight f6 first. Try and cut the queen out. If I can do that, then the rook check will be nasty. I think. It might be. I'm busted. I'm completely and utterly busted. Rook check, guys. Rook check is because if rook check, king h1, and what? What do I do? I need to move my knight and hopefully block it. You know what I'm saying? I think this guy's listening to the stream too. Are you in the stream, Victor? It's okay if you are. People are telling me moves, although I'm not playing their moves based on them telling me them. People are talking. Whenever it's critical and I don't know what I'm going to do, I stop looking at the stream. You know that. But is Victor here? Hey, Justin Conboy says, Chess Chiller's heading to bed. Justin, thanks for being here, man. Had a great stream today, man. I mean, I'm not done. My girlfriend's good. She's setting up at work. I could go for another hour, man. I'm having a freaking blast. As much, even with the losing. Maybe I need to start doing more puzzles, guys, so I can see these tactics quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm lost. The only way to do anything with this position is to attack his king. Like f5, f4. Knight here, knight f6, knight d5. Yeah, it covers it, but it's a trade. I'm losing. I can't trade pieces. I'm losing. He's up a full rook, but his rook is not playing right now. So if I can, and he has a weak king side. So if I can get all my pieces into this attack and get lucky and maybe win something back before all of his pieces are playing, you know, then I'm okay. David, I just dropped a freaking rook, dude. David. Rook e6. Oh, I'm threatening. Yeah. Yep. It's not a good day for hanging on to all my pieces, but I'm having fun. Okay, and he brings a rook into the game. I will play knight, defending the rook lift. Yeah, it's freaking brutal. Nicola says, are there any puzzle tournaments? Like, anywhere? I need to find those. That would be fun, man. I was down a pawn. Did you think I was winning? He had the bishop and I was down a pawn. David, he played a shot, man. Check out the Nadorf. David. And I think I know what I did wrong. Here. I should have developed my rooks first, right, David? I can play d5, so I'm like, get it. See, in this position, I played d5, and he had a shot where he won a pawn. It was very tactical. It goes deep. And I'm not sure if it all held water, but he had this. Check. But then I play this move, counterattack, right? Takes, and then he plays this move on my bishop. Best move I could see was king back, takes, unpinning, then I take. He's up a pawn, and he has the bishop. I got the massively centralized queen, which isn't bad, but I hang a rook. That's probably not a bad move. I have a check. He plays queen back. I think queen here is probably my only move to keep the queen on and keep the hope alive. There's nothing here, guys. There's nothing here. You think queen check, but it's not it, man, because he just plays queen back. And, like, I really can't threaten anything. So I think I will play queen here. My position was so okay. 19 followers to go, says Stephen Rourke. Yeah, man, we got 75 viewers. If you're new, you know how to do that. If you want to come back. If you want, yep, it's a real move. Then I will play... Is this better? No, because there's a mate. There's a freaking mate. I didn't see the mate. Oh, I wanted to play this so bad. Okay. But he freaking has a mate. He's, you know, that's just it, guys. When you're down a freaking rook. But see, I'm down a rook that's not playing right now. So I can continue. I can continue playing until he brings this rook in. I don't need to resign. Problem is, G6, bishop takes, rook takes, and his rooks do come in. Well, yeah, he could just play like, I'm telling him all his moves. And then on rook go, you know, yeah, C. I could defend the mate and save the knight with a threat. Maybe get a rook to... See, on a move like this, it's going to force a freaking rook trade, man. It's going to force a freaking rook trade. Stopping the mate. He's low on time. You know, they say, you know, begging is one thing, right? But they say if you want something, ask for it. Okay. I have queen check. He's going to have the rook over, though. No. Yeah, he's going to have the rook over winning my knight is the problem. See, it's just not enough wood, guys. It's not enough wood. It's my best move. It wins some material. I was down 5 points and I'm picking up like 1. I was busted. No, because he's gonna play rook over, and I have a queen check. I may though have. Now do I take? I don't think I do. Okay, let me find the draw. Do I play? See, there's no rook there, so I don't think there is a freaking draw, man. There's no check, guys. That's the problem. Taking the pawn. Oh! He can't take the rook. I mean, he can't take the knight. Oh, well, I'll get 2 pawns for the knight. Now he has to bring a rook over, but I'll attack it again. I'll attack it again, guys. I'll attack it again. Right? Just attack it again. If he wants to draw, he can have it. He attacks again, I'll come here. If he pushes, takes. What a tactic, guys. There's tactics. There's a tactic right there, man. That'll be a cool clip, man. Yeah, I know. I see it, David. I see the theme. I see it. I'm not taking that pawn unless I have to. I'm going to stay on this rook. Guys, I was busted.